Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get current date and time in Google Sheets. So the first method is really useful if you would like to get only date. So for example, I would like to insert it in this one cell, so I click on it and then I type here equals sign and I type here today. Then I insert here brackets and I press enter. After that we will get here current date, but sometimes if you don't see here the date, I recommend you to reload this page. And the second method to get the date and time is based on the another one function. So for example, I would like to insert it somewhere here and I type here equals sign and I type here now. Of course I need to use here brackets and I press enter. After that I will get here date and time. If you would like to split this cell on two parts, I recommend you to click on this one cell and you need to go now to data and you need to click on split text to columns. Now we need to select the separator. We need to select here space. Then this cell will be split on two parts. On the first one we have date and on the second one we have current time. If you will refresh this page, you may not see updated data, so I recommend you again click here and we need to type here again this formula. So I type here now with brackets and I press enter. Now let's check if the formula is saved here. The same action you should make with this one time. So I click here and again I type here formula with now, of course with brackets, and I press enter. Then we need to reload this page and how you see it really works. Time and the date are being changed to actual, so you can check it how it works. You can try to reload this page after a few minutes and how you see it really works, yeah. So if I helped you to get current date and time, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.